Morning! It's me and my BFF Lucy. It's 7 o'clock on Sunday morning. We're going to get coffee. We're starting our adventure because why wouldn't we? You have a good sleep? She had a good sleep. We had a good sleep. I love you guys. We're having another standoff. It is muggy. We went on the bus walk downtown Citadel Hill, and she wants to go swimming. But we need to get a drink first because it is very hot and humid, and she won't budge. Come on, come, Lucy, come. The girl knows what she wants, but we need a drink. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's so hot. It's so humid. Luce, honey, let's get a drink, okay? Come on. Good girl. Come on. Come on. You know we're in for a long standoff when this doesn't work. Treat. Come get a treat. Come on. We've made it to the foundation of the home. You know Goldens, they have the strongest personalities. 1 hour to get her 10 feet down the driveway. I couldn't. I was so parched. I had no saliva left in my mouth after our walk. I needed to get some water. No, I gotta get a coffee. I gotta go get a coffee. And look at this. They're doing like something for the most drums played at one time. I'm the dragon. Oh, Chris, I'm under! I'm under! I crossed the line so you guys can see them. Oh my God. I was trying to be first. I'm in! I'm in! First, I'm in! I was drumming too hard, I think. My drum piece flew off. There goes my drumming career. There it goes. How fun was that? I'm so hot. And I'll tell you, and that drum, when that top of that drum flew off and hit that little kid in the shorts. Anyway, I think I'm meant more for the big drum for my strong strokes. See? It doesn't matter if you're by yourself, you can still come upon fun things and join a band. She can't wait. Go ahead. You can go. Oh, she's so good. Oh, good girl. She can't wait though, she can't. She's too happy. She is going to be somewhere in the water. There you are, my girl. She loves it. She wanted this all day. Oh, you're so adorable. You're so cute.